I am thankful for all of those who said no to me. It's because of them I am doing it myself. Albert Einstein. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal a proverb. The proverb we are going to discuss is don't put too many irons in the fire. Don't put too many irons in the fire. In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning and the usage of the proverb don't put too many irons in the fire. This lesson is useful for those who are preparing for their competitive exams. Because in competitive exams, you will have to attend questions related to proverbs. So, watch this video till the end because it might help you to crack your exam. Without further delay, let's get into the lesson. First, we are going to see the meaning of the idiom, don't put too many irons in the fire. It means, try to focus on one thing at a time. Do not distract yourself and do not put your mind in various things at one time. The meaning is to have too many irons in the fire is to be engaged in too many activities. If you engaged in too many activities at the same time, you cannot do justice for the work. This means juggling too many projects at once and something's bound to fail. When a smith had too many irons in his fire, he couldn't effectively keep track of all of them. If you believe someone is taking on too much work, when you discuss someone who is extremely busy, in these two situations, you can use the idiom, don't put too many irons in the fire. So, don't put too many irons in the fire means, don't do too many items at the same time because you will not be able to concentrate on all the works at the same time. Let's look at the origin of this proverb, don't put too many irons in the fire. This proverb originates from blacksmiths. If a blacksmith has too many irons in the fire, he will be extremely busy. So, the meaning of this proverb, don't put too many irons in the fire, means you are doing so many works at the same time and you will be extremely busy. Now let's use this proverb in a sentence. Example number 1. Veena turned down the new opportunity. She felt that she had already too many irons in the fire. It means Meena refused the new opportunity. She refused to take up the new opportunity because she felt that she had already too many irons in the fire. She had so many works to do. So, she refused the new opportunity. Example number 2. Don't give her any more projects right now. She has too many irons in the fire. As she has too many works to do, don't give her any more projects. This is the meaning of this statement. Example number 3. I'm really happy with my job, but I always keep several irons in the fire to make sure my career advances. It means, here I have too many works to do at the same time to make sure my career advances. To improve my career, I do several things in the same time. We have used here several instead of two. Both means the same. And the last example, 4 children to raise and coaching with the cricket academy, I felt I had too many irons in the fire to dedicate my time properly to everything. I have to take care of the 4 children and coaching with the cricket academy. So I felt I had so many works to do and I have to dedicate my time properly to everything. This is the meaning of this proverb. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning of the proverb, don't put too many irons in the fire, and the usage. How can you use this proverb in your sentence? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for our daily updates. Thank you.